Welcome back to another how-to video. I am Daisy of Dumaguete Infonet Service. In this video, you will learn about renewing your Philippine driver's license. A Philippine driver's license is one of the most essential documents one needs. It enables you not only to drive in a public road, but it is also an important ID which you can use in many occasions to verify someone's identity. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, do so now and get the latest updates and videos from Dumaguete.com. A valid driver's license assures the Land Transportation Authority or LTO that the license holder is aware and educated how to drive, park, and deal with situations along the public roads. How to renew your driver's license in the Philippines. Requirements. Current non-professional driver's license or professional driver's license due to expire but not more than 2 years. Duly accomplished application form. Medical certificate with official receipt from LTO accredited or government physician. Negative drug test results from Department of Health accredited drug testing center or government hospital. TIN or tax identification number for professional driver's license. Procedure in renewing your driver's license. Step 1. Secure drug test and medical certificate from a duly LTO accredited drug test laboratory and physician. Present to the customer service representative of the LTO to pre-evaluation of your transaction with the following needed documents. Drug test results must be negative. Medical certificate, current or expired driver's license. Step 3. Get the application form from the CSR and fill it out completely and legibly. Step 4. Go to the next counter for picture taking and signature. Step 5. Wait for your name to be called at the cashier window for payment. Step 6. Finally, wait for your name to be called at the releasing window for the final releasing of your plasticized license. For more information about Philippine driver's license, please get in touch with your respective land transportation office or check the video description for contact details. Renewal of your Philippine driver's license will cost 652 pesos and 63 centavos. Penalty for expired license: 1 day to 1 year, 727 pesos and 63 centavos. 1 year and 1 to 2 years, 802 pesos and 63 centavos. More than 2 years, 1,045 pesos and 26 centavos. Please note that fees may change without prior notice. And that's how easy it is to renew your Philippine driver's license, whether you're a professional or non-professional driver. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to click that subscribe button. For more videos, click here. Leave a comment or any suggestions in the section below. I am Daisy of Dumaguete Infonet Service. See you in the next videos.